Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic that is about double integrals. So now I want to show you how to answer. So we need to put the bounds of x and the bounds of y gone here. About the x, that should be about from 0 to number 1. About the y, that should be from negative number 3 to positive number 3. So in this one, we can put like this. So the integration of this one, we have 1 over 2 Fn of the absolute value of x squared plus 1. And we put the bounds from 0 to number 1. And the next one, that is about y to the power of 3 over 3. So I will put number 1 cone here, number 0 cone here. So we have like this. So 1 square plus 1, we have number 2. This one we have Fn number 1. We put number 3 cone here. Minus negative number 3 to the power of 3 over number 3. So we calculate this one. This one, that is about number 18. So 18 divided by 2, that is about number 9. This is the end. Thank you for watching.